two parallel plates separated by a distance small d millimeter and they are kept at potential difference V volt. A particle of mass m and charge q enters in it with some velocity, then the acceleration of particle will be. See here, situation is like this. We are having two parallel plates, potential difference between them is V, upper plate is given positive potential, lower plate is given negative potential. So uniform electric field of intensity E is produced from top to bottom, and the two plates, they are separated by a distance small d. Suppose here a charge q having mass m, it enters that uniform electric field with velocity v. Now because charge q is moving through uniform electric field of intensity E, so the force acting on charge due to electric field is F equal to Q into E. But we know that electric intensity is nothing but negative of potential gradient, or electric intensity is nothing but potential difference upon distance, V divided by D, potential gradient. So the force acting on charged particle is Q into, now in place of E we can write V divided by D, but we know that as far as acceleration is concerned, it is force upon mass, because force is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is equal to, from Newton's second law of motion, you know, F is equal to m into a. F is equal to what? M into a. Therefore acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Acceleration equal to force upon mass. But we know force is equal to qv by d. Therefore acceleration acting on a particle is equal to, in place of F we can write qv divided by d, and this mass, it remains in denominator. So the net acceleration acting on a charged particle is qv upon dm, So out of 4 options, option A is the correct option for this question.